How to convince clients for SEO? How can you educate your clients and also manage their expectations in SEO? Hi, it's Wasim here from Globital, and at Globital we are here to help you design your digital agency to deliver. In this video, we are going to share with you how to pitch your potential clients for SEO. If you are a digital agency owner here, hit the subscribe button to the Globital TV channel, as we are coming to you every Monday with videos focused on building better digital agencies. In the comments, I would love to know one thing you are going to implement today. Having watched these videos, it's all about implementation. Question that your clients can ask from you: why do I need SEO as I am already doing Google Ads? Would you be able to guarantee top positions? I have previously hired an SEO expert with no results. How long does it take to get first page rankings? Why does SEO take so long for search engine success? I want faster SEO and many more. Let's answer them one by one. Why do I need SEO as I am already doing Google Ads? No doubt, Google Ads are the best to get online success, but until you are spending there, it's temporary. But this thing is not in SEO. In SEO, sustainable online success without spending there. As recent research, the most important thing is that click-through rate is always high in SEO as compared to Google Ads. Moreover, most of the people are using ad block extensions in their browser. This thing can stop from reaching the target audience or showing what they have for their clients. The second question can be: would you be able to guarantee top positions? Against these questions, you need to educate your clients and set their expectations. How do search engines works? How are Google algorithms constantly changing? Why no one can guarantee one position ranking in Google, but only one thing that you will do to get number one position, you will follow best practice there, not will do black hat SEO that can harm their website position in the search results. Moreover, you can educate them ranking are a poor metrics for overall performance. We do SEO in a way that will grow your business. The third questions can be: I have previously hired an SEO expert with no results. Time to share page 1 results case studies in the same client business niche and your team specialties in SEO. Especially covering these questions answers there. What specially did you do achieve this outcome? Why did you take that approach? Have the results continue to grow? What made this niche challenging and how did you overcome it? The fourth question can be: how long does it take to get first page ranking, or how long does SEO take to start working? How long until I get to number one? When will I see SEO results? Here you need to take some time for their website audit from the optimizations perspective, because this question depends on the type of website, either it is a new site or existing website, industry competitions, target area clients want to cover, small or large, existing ranking in search engine results pages, optimizations health. However, you can give an estimate time to them. For the new website with high competition keywords need 9 to 12 months, and with the low competition keywords you need 4 to 5 months. On the other hand, for the existing sites that have some authority in search engine result pages with high competition keywords, you need 4 to 6 months, and with the low competition keywords you need 2 to 3 months. The next question from your client and can be: why SEO takes time? Everyone knows that SEO takes time. It is a long-term strategy, but might be your client doesn't know about this. So you are always ready to educate them to close SEO deals. Here you need to explain them in the whole SEO process involve two parties. First one, you as an SEO expert or SEO agency to do website SWOT analysis from the optimizations perspective, completion of SEO ingredients in their website, fixing errors to make sure search engine friendly and user friendly, produce quality content for their website, build backlinks. So to do all these things require time. The second one is search engine parameters. The second thing that takes time in SEO is search spiders. Use several different signals to determine which website rank highest for each keyword. They will eventually notice index pages, analyze quality of content, analyze incoming links, and analyze user behavior towards website, and many more. Moreover, the reason why SEO can take so long is competition. Yes, high competition keywords take more time and low competition keywords take less time. They can also ask from you, I want faster SEO. Say sorry with this explanation. Search engine gives more value and give a far better ranking to those websites that are regular content updates, linked acquisition, and on-site optimizations. When websites become too popular too quickly in result pages, search engines may be more reluctant in this regard. SEO is the process, and ideally it requires long-term tactics and skills. It is all around this. Although SEO is a very tough industry and also very misunderstood one, but by educating your clients around SEO, set their expectation from SEO outcomes, and share past experience materials, you can sell more SEO services. Please do comment, like, subscribe, and if you like to more help to scale fast in digital marketing, have a look at our 30-day Kickstart program. Furthermore, I have put all the details in the descriptions below. Please check it if you are interested. That's it for now. I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.